Bisaya, Tagalog, English translation. Dukot, tutong, scorch. Kamunggay, malunggay, horseradish. Hubog, lasing, drunk. Ilaga, daga. Mouse, bulawan, ginto, gold. Bulag, hiwalay, separated. Nahug, nahulog, fall. Sulod, pasok, come in. Singot, pawis, sweat. Huyok, ihip, blow. Halang, maanghang, spicy. Kwartahan, mayaman, rich. Daghan, marami, many. Please follow my page.